Hey everyone, Jojo here from SHS iTech. Today, we have some exciting news about a major change in the Ghanaian education system. The Ministry of Education, in collaboration with the National Council for Curriculum and Assessment, has announced a significant reduction in senior high school subjects from 63 to 37. This new curriculum is set to start in the upcoming academic year. Let's dive into the details. The revised curriculum features a streamlined list of elective subjects designed to provide students with a focused and comprehensive education. Here are the new elective subjects: biology, chemistry, physics, computing, agriculture, physical education and health, home economics, history, economics, geography, government, art and design studio, performing arts, applied technology, business, religious studies, literature in English, ICT, Ghanaian language, French, Arabic, Spanish, Jojo. Additionally, some specialized subjects will be offered based on teacher availability, including engineering science plus robotics, biomedical science, aviation and aerospace engineering, robotics, manufacturing engineering. Now, let's talk about the core subjects that every student will take. These foundational courses ensure that all students receive a well-rounded education. The new core subjects are English language, additional mathematics, general science, social studies, art and design foundation, agricultural science. This streamlined curriculum aims to reduce the burden on students and teachers while enhancing the quality of education. By focusing on essential subjects, students can delve deeper into their areas of interest and better prepare for their future careers. The Ministry of Education is committed to advancing education in Ghana, as highlighted by initiatives like the Ghana Smart School Project and a focus on STEM education. These efforts ensure that Ghanaian students are well equipped for the demands of the modern world. The new timetable will also include activities like physical education and health, PEH, and religious and moral education, RME, ensuring that students receive a holistic education that promotes physical health and ethical development. That's all for today's update. We hope this new curriculum will positively impact students and educators across Ghana. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on education and technology. This is Jojo from SHS iTech, signing off.